So the question is, why does associating two file types of the same MIME type in a Visual Studio 2015 setup project result in an error? That's a long-winded question. So to help me explain exactly what I mean, I'm putting together an example application and installer that demonstrates the issue. So I have a console application here called Doesn't Matter, because it really doesn't matter. The part of the program that is important to us is the installer part here, which we'll just call installer. So brand new application installer here. We'll add project output of the console application, and then we'll go ahead and view the file types. This is the part that I'm most interested in. I'm going to add a couple of file types here, ABCDEF and GHIJKL. The names don't really matter. So for this ABCDEF, the extension will just be ABCDEF. I know, extremely creative on the name there. And we'll just have it output to that. The MIME type I'm going to call application XML. Now that's going to be important because this one is also going to be set up the same way. So here we'll get the primary output. We'll call this GHIJKL, and of course the MIME type. All right. Now I'm going to try building this, and notice I have an error here. It says unable to build MIME for file type named application XML. But I don't know why this error occurs. If I were to say change the GHIJKL MIME type to say text plain and then try rebuilding it, notice it happily goes through the build process and I have an installer. Okay, so there's that warning isn't applicable for this study right now, but in the if I were to go to the other file type, ABCDEF, and change its MIME type to text, no, not pane, text plain, and then try rebuilding that, although this sometimes is a pain because I have the same error, unable to build MIME for file type named text.plain. Interestingly, if I was to remove the MIME type declaration here, and therefore it uses the default octet streaming, the installer has no problem building whatsoever. So I don't know, is there some kind of limitation where a Visual Studio installer or setup project cannot have multiple file types like ABCDEF and GHIJKL of the same MIME type? I don't know, and I hope that's not the case. But anyways, the question again, why does associating two file types of the same MIME type in a Visual Studio 2015 setup project result in an error? Thank you.